Alright, how's it going, everyone? It's out. Oh, here we go. Here we go.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 258, effective until 4 a.m. Monday.
Wow, 4 a.m. 4 a.m. for severe thunderstorm watch.
Severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including a large hail and damage winds, snowfish, and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to more weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Alright, guys.
Wichita was fair.
Anyway, before I go, everyone, joining me on this video is Braven Ringer and Super Legend. We got Super Legend, and we got E Midland Siren.
Demon Cyan.
Yep, right here on this video. So I will leave the link to all of their channels in the video description. So once again, we just got a severe thunderstorm watch until 4 a.m. Monday morning. So that said, that's gonna be a wrap. This is South Central Kansas WX on YouTube signing off.